quick trick for keeping your herbs fresh for days. And we're always concerned about whether they're going to wilt, how long are they going to last, what do we do? Here you go. Take your herbs, you're going to cut off the bottom parts of them because, like flowers, they absorb moisture in. You're going to make sure that you don't have any funny ones in here because you kind of don't want that, little yellow, anything that might be brown. So into your salad spinner, separate them out a little bit. Some cold water. Make sure they're rinsed well and no dirt, because that would be icky. If you need to, dump the water a couple of times. These actually appear to be pretty clean. Some wet paper towels. Wring out the paper towels so they're just damp now. Wrap them up a little bit, cover those stems, grab a Ziploc, in they go, into your fridge, and just like that, you're going to have fresh herbs for a week.